Hey guys, it's Arrow and I'm doing a video today. That was a fail, by the way. I'm doing a video today about Microsoft Virtual PCs. So basically what it is, it's basically a program supplied by Microsoft that you can download by going on Google and looking up Microsoft Virtual PC 2007. So basically you'll get this and you open it up but I've already downloaded a whole bunch of operating systems, but for you it'll be blank. Nothing will be here. But what you do is like you go on YouTube or something. Let me just boot up my internet. All right. So go on like YouTube. Oh, I'm in all caps. Fail. And then like whatever one you want. Now they're called virtual hard disks. They go by VHD, short, a little initialism. So you'll type in, like, let's say I want to get Windows, I don't know, Windows 95, Windows 95 virtual hard disk, and then you click on the video or whatever, and then you'll get a link to it right here or something. There's a lot of them on YouTube. They all work so far that I've tried, and then you'll go to set it up. So just download the RAR file, put the thing that has this little icon logo on it, drag that onto your desktop or into a special folder. But once you drag it somewhere, leave it there. It can't be moved or it won't work. I learned that the hard way with Windows 95. But anyway, so you'll go, then you'll name it like, I don't know, Windows Retarded, which I would probably say is Vista. Then next, and then you just hit next, and then existing virtual hard disk. Then browse and find it wherever you placed it, either in a folder, mine are on my desktop. And then that'll be a full setup, and then you'll be able to just click on Windows Retarded, pretend I set it up. Like, I don't know, let's pretend this is Windows Retarded. So I set it up, start, and it boots up. So you can basically run older versions of Windows. I'm not sure, maybe if you want to run things in an antiquated manner, or you just want to test things out how they used to be, see the development in the later year, or since the development of these old videos, see how far we've come since, I don't know, Windows 3.1 when we're still DOS. Just interesting, really. In my opinion, it's pretty interesting. So this is Windows ME. Now, Windows ME came out after Windows 2000, yet it's shittier than Windows 2000. Windows 2000 was a business-oriented operating system that came out 7 months before this. This came out in September of the year 2000, so that would have come back in February of the year 2000. So even though it came out after, it's supposed to be family-oriented, and I said that in quotations because it's a piece of shit. The only good thing it added was Windows Movie Maker, and even then, that's the piece of shit compared to what we have today, like Sony Vegas and what's that other, Adobe After Effects. So basically, what you can do is just test stuff out. I don't know, Internet Explorer, and then you can go like YouTube, which I don't actually. YouTube sucks on this because this thing is so bad. It can't even get Java. So you can't even watch a YouTube video. It's so old that the browser's not even supported. So let's try and I don't want to get. Let's try and get Safari or something. I've never used Safari, so it'd be interesting to see if it works. Free download for Mac and PC. Let's try this out. I'm curious to see if it supports ME. If it does, I've lost total respect for Apple. Well, I've lost the total respect of the little respect I already have. Do you want to proceed? Yes, I want to proceed. Fuck. Anyway. It's obviously retarded. Oh, and it is not supported. Fail. So basically, all you can do is screw around in this. I'm actually not sure how to blue screen this. I know for some operating systems, it's con/con/con. Crap. Con, and it'll blue screen you. But on this, it's not working. So let's try. It's either Windows 95 or 98, so I'll try Windows 98 right now and see what goes down if I do that. But anyway, as you can see, virtual PCs are pretty fun, and you might think they're useless. That's what I was kind of thinking the first time. But they're actually it's pretty interesting to see what programs you can run and not run, and like other things like that. And it's just interesting to have all these old computers in one. You know what I mean? I mean, I personally own a Microsoft Windows 98 computer and a 95 computer. But I'm too lazy to go down in my basement, fish it out of the crawl space, boot it up, all that crap. So this is just something, a simple alternative, really. And as you can see, this is what, since this was oriented as well for family, and so was Windows ME, this is kind of what they call Windows ME was supposed to be the predecessor. I forget how to say the word, but it's supposed to be, it's the sequel. Windows ME is supposed to be the sequel to this, but this is better than Windows ME. Windows ME is, nothing supports Windows ME still, and, well, nothing hardly supports Windows 98, but Windows ME just had so many flaws. Windows ME is the reason why most people who have had, if you ever owned a Windows ME computer, you're probably pretty good at fixing computers. That's all I have to say about Windows ME. But let's try con/con/con. I'm not sure if it works on this, but yeah, and we got a fatal error. So that's how you blue screen this. That's hilarious, but anyway, I'm just gonna close that, shut down Windows 98. Oh, screw. Turn off. That's the simple alternative. And then I'm going to show you the last thing I want to show you guys, because I don't really think I need to go through Windows 2000 or Windows NT. I mean, I didn't even know about Windows NT before I got virtual PCs, and now I learned about them all. And I even have XP on this baby, which is awesome, because XP is a favorite to a lot of people. I don't know. I personally like 7, but I guess Windows XP is, they like it better than they liked Windows Vista, which I can't disagree with. Windows Vista was a little bit not very thought out. Alright, so you can't, this is cool because it's DOS based, there's no even desktop. That's what I like about Windows 95, it invented the desktop. That's pretty revolutionary. If it wasn't for Windows 95, we probably wouldn't even have desktops. Anyway, Paintbrush, you can't really do much, so I'll just write my name. Wow, that was pretty neat for this. It's neater than my writing in real life. Interesting. Anyway, so pretty much you can't really do much in Windows ME, or no, Windows 3.1 because, well, it's DOS or whatever. I don't know, but you can screw around kind of, which is fun if you're really bored one day. Let's check out Notepad. Hello, I am writing in the Notepad. There you go. What I want to do is I play a lot of Counter-Strike, and if you guys have ever played Counter-Strike, you can put picture files into your Counter-Strike folder, and then you'll be able to use it in game. I kind of want to make a spray, that's what they're called, in Windows 3.1, just to see how crap it could be. Anyway, if you want to see that it's proof that it's actually Windows 3.1, type WinVer, and it says Windows version 3.10. Which is awesome. I think this is an awesome thing to do when you're really bored. So you guys should probably check it out. I recommend checking them out. Just screw around with them, have a little bit of fun with this. And yeah, if you have any questions about how to get them or whatever, or what ones you can get, which is all of them. You can even get Windows 7. Technically, you could steal let's say I was running Windows Vista, I could steal Windows 7 and use it, but yeah, which is kind of funny, but hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you stay tuned for more Microsoft Virtual PC things. See you guys later.